Welcome back to sunny Queensland, and here we are, Queensland Home Improvements, taking you on another tour of the renovation project we are currently undertaking in Manly in Queensland, Australia. And you can see our sign up there, our site sign showing Queensland Home Improvements on the front deck of this house, and that's the same front deck that is also going to be rebuilt as part of the renovation. You can see that it's a cantilevered deck, which means the joist sections are running past the main structural beam there, and we are going to be rebuilding all of that section. The new deck is also a cantilever design, but it's a larger deck. Down the side of the house you can see the scaffolding there for the rear extension. And this rear extension is currently at lock-up stage, which means that we have built the box, roofed it, walled it, cladded it, all those wonderful things. So let's just step around this side of the house now. Ricky up there double checking the measurements for the front deck material order. Walking down the left hand side of the property here. You can see the updated modified plumbing connections for the new bathroom renovation that's occurring on the other side of our wall. Fair bit of plumbing in this job when you've got bathrooms involved and rejigging pipelines. And the scaffold, which is all the way around the extension. You can see the blending in of the extension there on the wall cladding. The new eaves installed, and the painters are currently at work painting those. And we are right on schedule. We're certainly right on point for where we need to be today to complete this, to meet his expectations for time frame. See all those holes in the roof? Well, that's what happens when you need to modify cabling, lighting, power, when you've got existing linings in place. So the electrician had to come in and bust a bunch of holes everywhere. There's Corey, one of our carpenters, currently boxing in the bulkhead section where the structural beams were installed for the extension on the house. And he's just currently building that framing around that so that can be plaster lined. This is one of the new bedrooms that was previously a living room. More holes. Look at all those holes everywhere. And, that's what needs to be done, unfortunately. But it also requires all that to be patched up. You can see that amazing structural floor underneath here. This is all the extension. It's a massive extension. There's some big steel beams running through there. And those engineered joist sections. Obviously this isn't the prettiest stage of the project, but certainly we are heading in the right direction. Walking upstairs. Obviously there's a bit of dust and dirt around, but there's a professional cleaning team coming in at the end of the build. We're going to scrub this place spotless. What you're looking at inside this room here is the extension where all that new framing is. You can see on the right hand side all those lengths there, those lengths of timber. That's all the new timber flooring that's about to be laid in here. That's going to be the laundry on the left hand side. And you're looking through to the upper section there. This is where the roof is, and we are putting a ladder section up there and creating some storage area, kind of an attic storage. The bath is currently framed in. You can see where that nib wall is, where the tap mixer will be for the bath. That wall lining there is actual structural ply bracing, so it's framing the walls up. You can see the step down in the floor here. This is so that we can put a bedding in here for the tiling on the floor. Shower under the bath. Nice big high ceilings inside of here. And you really get a sense of proportion when it comes to framing and all of the work and carpentry and all the different things that need to be done to make something like this happen. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with part 3 soon.